Welcome to the top picks. The best popcorn game is probably one of the most exciting and engaging party games to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of strategy, luck, and hilarious moments that are perfect for gatherings of friends and family, making it an absolute must-have for anyone looking to inject some serious fun into their next get-together. Number 5. EOVOLA Accessories Kit for Nintendo Switch. Introducing the EOVOLA Accessories Kit, designed to protect your Nintendo Switch and enhance your gaming experience. It offers robust protection and convenient portability for all your gaming needs. This durable and strong carrying case keeps your Switch safe and is easy to transport. Its design is simple to use and even supports multiple charging options. Keep your controllers powered up with the charging dock. It can simultaneously charge up to 4 Joy-Con controllers, ensuring you're always ready for your next game. Elevate your gameplay with the included wheel and grip accessories. They make your gaming sessions more enjoyable while providing essential protection for your Joy-Cons. The protective case and screen protector offer comprehensive defense against daily wear and tear. Shield your device from bumps, scratches, dust, and fingerprints. Never lose track of your games again. The game card case provides ample storage for up to 24 game cards and SD cards, keeping everything neatly organized. What we like? This accessory kit offers comprehensive protection for your Nintendo Switch and its accessories. It includes a durable carrying case, controller grips, and a screen protector. If you're looking for a way to keep your Switch safe and organized on the go, this bundle is a fantastic choice. What people say. The popcorn is made in a fun and engaging way, making it an enjoyable experience for everyone. The game is designed to be interactive, ensuring that players are actively involved throughout the gameplay. It features a unique mechanism for popping popcorn, adding an element of surprise and excitement to the game. Number 4. Learning Resources Pop for Letters Phonics Game. Discover a delightful way to practice alphabet recognition and beginning letter sounds. This engaging game makes learning the ABCs exciting for young minds. With 100 popcorn cards featuring uppercase and lowercase letters, children can easily master their alphabet. It's a hands-on approach to early literacy. Take the learning fun anywhere. This set is perfect for practicing on the go, ensuring that skill building never has to stop. Add an element of surprise with the special pop card. Players must race to put all their popcorn back into the carton, adding a fun challenge to the game. Designed for preschoolers and early learners aged 4 and up, this game provides hours of educational entertainment. It's a fantastic addition to any learning environment. Looking for the perfect educational gift? This game is ideal for holidays, birthdays, or any occasion, fostering a love for learning with every play. What we like? This game focuses on early phonics and alphabet recognition, making learning fun for young children. It's designed to be engaging and can be played anywhere. If you have preschoolers or kindergartners who are just starting to learn their letters and sounds, this is an excellent tool to supplement their education. What people say. The popcorn game is a fun and engaging activity for kids and adults alike. It's easy to set up and play, making it a great option for parties or family game nights. The game encourages strategic thinking and quick reflexes, providing a challenging yet enjoyable experience. Number 3. Gutter Games 12 Games of Christmas Family Game Night Pack. Get ready for the holidays with this festive bundle. It includes 12 fun and easy-to-learn party games designed to bring everyone together in the Christmas spirit. Inside, you'll find a variety of exciting games like Reindeer Antler Ring Toss, Santa Sports Day, and Merry Quizmas. Everything you need for endless fun is right here. These games are perfect for kids, teens, and adults alike. With a mix of team, solo, action, and brain games, there's truly something for everyone to enjoy. Looking for the perfect present? This makes a fantastic stocking stuffer, secret Santa gift, or surprise for under the tree. It's also great for holiday parties and family gatherings. Crafted with high-quality, durable materials, this bundle is built to last for many holiday seasons. It's suitable for 2 to 16 players and recommended for ages 6 and up. What we like? This package is designed to bring the holiday spirit and laughter to any gathering with 12 different Christmas-themed games. It caters to a wide range of ages and game styles, ensuring everyone can join in the fun. If you're hosting a holiday party or looking for a way to entertain the whole family during the festive season, this bundle is a perfect fit. What people say. It's a fun game for families and friends. The game is easy to learn and play. The popcorn design is cute and appealing. Number 2. Learning Resources Pop for Sight Words Bundle. Unlock essential early literacy skills with this engaging game. It's designed to boost vocabulary and enhance reading fluency for young learners. Beyond sight words, this game helps children practice important social skills like taking turns and understanding game etiquette. It's learning disguised as fun. Need an educational activity that travels well? This game is a fantastic grab-and-go option, perfect for keeping little minds engaged anywhere. This bundle includes 2 exciting games, each packed with 100 popcorn-themed cards. You'll get sight word practice and the thrilling pop moments. Designed for children aged 5 and up, it provides hours of educational entertainment. It's a wonderful way to support their learning journey. Looking for a meaningful gift? This bundle is ideal for holidays, birthdays, or any occasion, offering endless learning fun for children. What we like. This bundle offers a dynamic way to build early literacy skills, focusing on sight words to improve reading fluency and vocabulary. It's designed for interactive play that benefits both classroom and home learning environments. If you're a parent or educator looking for an engaging game to help children aged 5 and up master essential reading skills, this is a great option. What people say. The popcorn game is a fun and engaging game for families. It's easy to learn and play, making it great for all ages. The game encourages strategic thinking and quick reflexes. Number 1. Learning Resources Pop Word Families Game. Introducing a fun and fast-paced game designed for kids to create and learn words with common endings. It's perfect for practicing essential literacy skills. This engaging game helps strengthen vocabulary, spelling, and reading fluency. It's an excellent tool for young learners to build a strong foundation. Begin with simple 2-letter endings and progress to 3-letter endings. This game provides great practice for rhyming words and phonetic awareness. Designed for convenience, this game is perfect for grab-and-go fun. It's ideal for first graders and children aged 5 and up, accommodating 2 to 4 players. Looking for a meaningful gift? This educational toy is perfect for holidays, birthdays, or any occasion. Give the gift of learning and discover new fun every time. This game is a fantastic addition to any learning environment, including homeschooling. It makes a wonderful gift for various occasions like Halloween, Christmas, and Easter. What we like. This game specifically targets word families, helping children strengthen their vocabulary, spelling, and rhyming abilities. It's a fast-paced and educational activity suitable for young learners. If you have children aged 6 and up who are working on building words with common endings and improving their understanding of word patterns, this game will be highly beneficial. What people say. The popcorn game is a fun and engaging activity for kids and adults alike. It's easy to set up and play, making it a great option for parties or family game nights. The game encourages strategic thinking and quick reflexes, as players race to pop their popcorn before their opponents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.